money, situations with money. So with money, you could have a credit, which is good, or a debit, which is not good. So credit is a positive thing. If you get a credit on your account, they're giving you money. A debit is when they're taking money away. So it's good to know those terms, which is kind of confusing because some people have debit and credit cards, and both of those, when you use debit and credit cards, you're spending money, so they're both kind of bad, but those particular terms, credit to your account's a positive thing. So if I give a credit of $79, that means you're getting $79, and they call it deposit. Means they're depositing or putting that money in your account. So if your account gets $79, that's a good thing. So that's a smiley face. That's a positive. So credit's a good thing. If you have a debit, like a debt, you think if you have a debt, you owe somebody a debit of $180. That means negative $180. You still put the dollar sign in the front, even though you read it $180. So that means like you owe money. So you owe, I owe money. That's not good. Or if you withdraw money from your account, withdraw means you're taking money out. If you withdraw it, you're taking money out. So then your account goes down because you're taking money out. What does zero mean with money? Well, I guess you don't have any money, but you're also not in the negative, so it means not a credit or a debit. Credit, remember, was a good thing. Debit was not. It just means you have no money because zero means no money, so you don't have any money. So those are all examples where you have situations with positive and negative numbers, and there's keywords in there that we're listening for. Those keywords that help us to know if it's a positive or a negative number when we write it. Positive numbers, remember, we don't put a plus in front. Negative, we do. I'm going to do another example down here, and I just kind of want to make like this is like our sea level, this blue line. We'll call this 0 feet. 0 feet, we call that sea level. So you can start at sea level. Maybe you're swimming underwater. You could come down here and touch this line and come back up to sea level. So when you're here, you may be at negative 36 feet because you're under sea level or below it. This is now you're back up to 0 feet when you're here at sea level. Maybe you are flying, so you come up, and then you can come back down to sea level again, back to 0 feet. So if you come up, this would be like a positive 36 feet. You just don't put a plus in front of it. So that's kind of a visual to see if you were looking at sea level.